Having issues getting water to your faucets? Follow these steps to ensure you have access to running water. You have two options for water source. You're either plugged in via spigot to the city water connect on your RV, or you're running your water pump and drawing water out of your freshwater tank. Option one, if you're plugged into your city water connect on the outside of the camper and your spigot is turned on, whether it's at your house or a campground, you're going to have pressure to every faucet inside the unit without using the water pump. If you are hooked up via city water connection and you have no pressure to your lines, check your spigot that you're hooked up to ensure that it is turned on and you have water flowing out of there and there's no kinks in the hoses that you're using to get it to the camper. If you're using water out of your freshwater tank, then you need to make sure that your water pump switch is on the inside of the RV. That is drawing the water from that water tank to all your faucets, building that pressure. If your water pump switch is on inside the camper and you're not getting pressure to your faucet, you're going to want to check the control panel on the inside of the RV to check your freshwater tank level. If you're at a third or empty, that's probably why you're not getting pressure to your faucets. You want to fill up your freshwater tank on the RV. If your freshwater tank is at a third or more, you're going to want to check your battery level on that same control panel. If your level is between a third or empty on your battery, that's probably why you're not getting pressure to any of your faucets. The water pump is a 12-volt water pump system. If this is the issue and your battery level is low, you're going to want to make sure you plug in your camper to a nearest outlet or shore power source, or start the generator that the unit is plugged into. So if your water pump switch is on, you have water in your freshwater holding tank, you have battery power, the next thing to look for is the fuse for the water pump. The fuse is going to be in the fuse box of the RV. You're going to want to open your fuse box. There'll be a map on the inside of the cover. Select that water pump fuse and then pull it out, see if it's blown. If it is blown, in your first cabinet or drawer in the kitchen area, there'll be a bag of replacement fuses. Match up the color, the number, and stick the new fuse in place. If you still don't have water to your unit, give us a call and we'll be happy to help.